everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of login problem on the application of Telegram. Just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings, as you see, and you will click here. Then in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go to above. You will search about Telegram app, as you see, and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you should to focus. We will return again to this page of app info. Then you will go to permissions, as you see, and you will click. Here in this page, you will go to allow all permissions here, for example camera, contacts, music and audio. Here, as you see, we click allow. You will go to photos and videos. You will click here always allow all, and you will allow all these permissions here. After that, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram, and here you will click if you find updates to update your app. But if all these steps not working with you, you should to uninstall your app and to install it again. Then you will find a solution about this problem of login problem on Telegram app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.